Hi, Sarah Smith and Amanda Lal. Good morning. And maybe very well the agenda of today's meeting. And the meeting is very crucial. We are going to discuss some important ideas to change or transform our hotel's reputation. Janta Hotel was the only one in the area of the Western Hong Kong. You know very well about it. But recently, our hotel is not doing very well. We need to discuss the problems of Janta at the same time and what are the measures need to be taken to find some solutions. First of all, I have observed some issues. I'll be bringing them to your notice and you please give me some suggestions. I have seen that some of our staff are very inattentive. When an order is placed, so they don't take it very seriously and immediately maybe deliver that service. And they won't see their I think the tables and the rooms where they are getting orders also. They are not very attentive to understand all those things. So what are the measures we can do? First thing is what I thought is we have to give a small training for them so that maybe they can improve their services and maybe and we have to even announce some of the prizes like best maybe I attend to server or any other kind of things we have to observe. And one more thing came to my notice from the complaints of the customers is long waiting for the room service. They're not attending. So that we have to do arrange some kind of thing. So once the service is request has come, immediately it should be attended. So maybe within 10 minutes time. So it's more than that. Maybe the customers are complaining. One more thing we have to observe is uh, unclean washrooms. See, our hotel is very popular for clean and serene environment. So our location and our environment is very popular. That is our brand. It is making our brand. So we have to see that we are going to improve that cleanliness and hygiene. See that and take some responsibility, call for a meeting for the staff and make them understand about these things. So immediately hygiene should be improved in the washrooms. They should be clean and see what are the measures, what are the raw material they require. So we'll allot immediately and we have to do urgently answer that. And new young staff are started resigning. I think I talked to one of the guy who is resigning, and he complained that he is very highly qualified and talented, but his salary is very less when compared to the old staff who are not even having a basic qualification. One thing I honor is our old staff are with us, and they're very faithful and they're very efficient. Maybe they're having less qualifications, but we have to convince the young staff also. We are very highly qualified. We need their services also. So we have to see something to sort out how these young staff are going to be retained. So these things we have to immediately put into. But Derek Price I observed that he is mostly concentrating on our maybe hotelguides.com, so which is very popular for hotel reviews. So he put a wonderful reviews into that. But only thing is he neglected and even he modified our website. So beautified and modified, and it is wonderful. There is no issue. But only thing is he did not focus on the Facebook page. So all the reviews, I think some of them in the Facebook are really not good. So very positive. So we have to address this also. So let us discuss now all these points and what are the measures we can take and how we can improve one by one. So I think Sarah and you and Amanda Lal both of you can sit together and sort out, or else we'll have again and one more common meeting. Or here also we can discuss the issues, uh, I think, elaborately. So there is a lot of scope for us to improve because ours is the only hotel in this area which is very, very popular. So if with our teamwork and resolving the simple things, and we can do wonders. So that I believe in our efficiency and talent. Definitely we can find a solution, and definitely we can come into the market and chase the ranks and regards. Okay, thank you. And I think I want to see the result as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.